Hi friends, so today we're going to be doing another hair video. Today we're going to talk about Milk and Blush hair extensions. Now I've talked about these before, but yeah, gals got a new set again. These were gifted to me. Thank you so much for the people at Milk and Blush for sending me these out. I love the hair so much. If you haven't watched my previous video, this is my original set that I got. Start off with the packaging. They've upgraded theirs so much, look at that. Also, this brand is from the UK. Got the exact same hair except from in a different colour. Now as you can see, my hair is getting darker and it's getting longer, and I'm not going to go brighter this year. That's my plans anyways. I'm going to just let it grow out and do what it wants. I might get some highlight bits at the front, I don't know. So this is the original colour that I got. Mind them, I put some root spray on them. If you saw my vlog, I put some root spray on the first two top ones because this is very blonde next to my hair. When I put it in, it does blend in, but it's getting harder as my hair is growing out. That's why I wanted a darker colour. This is the colour Parisian Dreams. The colours, the tones in this is absolutely amazing. I'll put a picture up of what it looks like when I've got the hair in here. And the set I got is 200 grams of hair. That is a lot of hair, guys. It's super, super thick. The new colour I got, She Stole My Look. So it comes packaged like this. It says open me here first. Comes in a little netting, and this is just a sample piece so you can actually see if the hair matches your colour, which I absolutely love. If you put the code blend by Han 5 in, you get this set for £120, which is very, very, very amazing for the quality of the hair. It is amazing, amazing quality. If you look on the website, it's like, oh my god, honestly, this hair is the softest thing ever. If you've watched my vlog, you probably hear me going on about this hair. I haven't tried it in yet, but you can see, you can already tell that this hair is going to match me better than this. Obviously, when I blend this in, it looks nice, but as we are not going lighter with my hair, this is going to look a lot better, isn't it, guys? So this is the colour She Stole My Look. It's really nice. It's just got some brownie. It's like a dirty blonde colour almost. Wait, let me just show you how thick this hair is as well. £120. That, oh my god. I'm gonna get straight into it. I've got a middle part in as well because I'm trying to have a middle part in now, guys, because it's apparently side partings are cancelled, which will never be cancelled, but TikTok says they are. For 2 clips, oh, it's so lovely and thick, I can't even get over it. You get 2 3-clip pieces, whole massive 4-clip one. Look at that hair, it's so thick and I love it. So I put my hair in to try to camouflage my short hair as much as possible. I had a blunt bob, it's grown out. My natural hair is very blunt. This is my natural colour up here if anybody was wondering. I've just got a balayage bleach effect on it. But yeah, underneath, as you can see, it's very, 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 very dark. So cannot wait to get these in. Again, I'm going to take my 2 fingers, pop them to the back, and kind of do a half up, half down situation and get this hair out of the way like that. Then I'm going to take all this hair here and I'm just going to, I don't know how to do this to show you guys at the same time. I'm going to twist it, twirl it round in a nice little circle bun thing. Then I'm going to get some bobby pins, hair grits, whatever you want to call them, and just secure this in place. And I'll show you the back in a second. So this is what it looks like at the back. Hopefully you can see that. I've just like tried to put it in one section so all my baby hairs, darkest hairs, are out of the way, and to give that illusion of it just blending in nicer. 4-clip weft, and I'm just going to flip it over and I'm just going to pop it on as close as I can to the roots. It's quite sturdy anyways, but you can black comb your hair. Oh my god, that colour looks so nice already. Imagine if this was just my hair. This is just it. Honestly, guys, it's amazing. Oh, I love it. It's softer than my hair, and I'm like, that's not fair. Then do the same thing, sectioning that away. And then I'm going to take my 3-clip weft, and I'm just going to pop that in where I'm wanting it. So quite close to the front, so it's blending in. and just always tug at it just to make sure it's nice and secure. Again, just try to put the placement in a kind of similar area. So I kind of left a little gap at the front there, just so the next ones can go a bit more further forward. And then again, this is just like a repeating step of, oh my god, look how nice that looks already. Again, do the same thing. Just make sure you've got a really nice amount of hair in between each hair extensions. This is just, it's more important to do this if you've got like a blunt cut, because you want to disguise it as much as possible. And then again, you get your 2 clip weft. I'm putting this more to the front, tugging it, making sure it's nice and secure. And then it's quite easy to put these in, to be fair, as long as you're layering it correctly, it's quite easy. So then I'm going to put these in again, quite close to the front. Like, I am not a professional when it comes to hair extensions, let me just say that, because I've not said that in this video yet. Don't come for me if I'm doing it wrong, but this is just how it works best for me. So you can see those 2 front ones there, very close to the start of my hair. And then I'm going to put this, oh my god, I love the fact that it gives your hair a little bit more volume as well when you've got like clips in. Take my brush and brush through this. That melts so nice into my hair. Oh, I haven't straightened these or anything. It's literally just straight out of the box as well. So if you wanted a more straighter look, obviously you can just straighten them. I am going to curl them very soon, not in this video. And I'm just going to show you the bottom of the hair so you can just see it is more natural, the ends. I did end up cutting the other set and I kind of regretted it a little bit because it's still thick but it looks really natural. Let me zoom you guys out a bit. And it's still a lovely colour. Oh my god, I love it. I mean, I'll look 10 times better when I've got my makeup on and stuff, but I feel like that is literally my hair there and it's just blending in so nice. I'm not saying that the other ones didn't blend in, because when I did blend them in and like take my time, it's just underneath when I had naturally dark hair. Oh my god, my underneath hair, you can't even tell. There is no trace of my hair, is there? Like in that blonde one, you could see my dark bits, but there's no oh my god. Oh, I can't wait to wear these out of the house after lockdown. Oh my god, look at that. There's no, obviously there is like shorter bits and there's shorter bits at the front, but because they're at the front, let me zoom you guys out. Because the shorter bits are at the front, you wouldn't necessarily think, oh yeah, she's like, she's just like, that's not her hair. Like, oh my god. Oh, I'm super, super happy. I can't believe that these extensions, like, they actually are, like, you can get them for 120 quid with my code. Like, the quality is insane. I'm not good at blending, like, hair stuff. I'm not good at hair stuff. I'm more makeup. And the fact that I can blend these in. This is the first time me trying them in as well. Like, this is not me, like, spending loads of time trying to blend them in. Like, I'm so happy with this colour. I'm so happy with it. Oh my god. The reason why I keep going like this as well is because it's literally, the hair is so soft. Like, look at the hair. This looks like my hair. It looks like it's growing out of my skull. I'm going to take this product here. So this is the Mark Hill Invisible Taming Polish. I've had this for a month, used it like quite often, and it literally hardly goes down because you only need the tiniest amount of it. So put a little bit in between my fingertips to warm it up, and then I just softly start to pop this on top, and that'll just get rid of most of your flyaways. I don't want to say all, because I've got like so many little baby hairs. It's not even breakages. You know when you just get loads of little baby hairs at top that keep growing through? So now if you look now, you can't see them anymore. And I get them around here as well. I definitely think the baby hairs, because they're from here as well. And like the back of my hair and stuff. But you just get some like taming polish and put a little bit in. I can't tell what it looks like at the back as much. I have like put them in quite quickly though. But I think it's definitely blending in 10 times better, because you can't even see any of my hair underneath now. Like I said, this is the hair. She stole my look. That's the colour of it. I got it in the quad set. 16 inches. As you can see, 16 inches is very, very long still. I think it's more 18 than 16. 200 grams, and you can get this, like I said, £120 with the code blendbyhan5, or if you're in the US, it's blendbyhan10. Thank you guys for watching this video of me just basically telling you guys how much I love this hair, trying it in for the first time. I'm not a professional, like I said. I just keep touching my hair, keep touching it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, pop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. I'm going to be in the comments straight after this video goes live, so I'll see you down in the comments.
Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me.